Hi everyone, today our topic about tangents and secants to a circle, exercise 9.3, first problem. A chord of a circle of radius 10 centimeter. Up to here, we know that radius is 10 centimeter. A chord in a circle subtends a right angle at the center, doing angle 90 degrees with the center. Find the area of corresponding minor segment, major segment. Minor means small, major means big than small. See, with the use of this chart, circle divided into two parts. Above the chart occupied more area, below the chart occupied less area. So this is a shaded part is a minor segment. This unshaded part is a major segment. Given that radius of a circle is 10 centimeter and given that doing 90 degrees angle, AOB 90 degrees. Here AOB is a right angle triangle. Area of minor segment. How we can find the area of minor segment in a circle? Using these types of triangles, maybe this is right angle triangle or isosceles triangle. Any triangle, using this triangle and sector and circle, we can find the area of minor segment and major segment. Here square area is side into side. Circle area pi r square. In the same way, sector area x by 360 into pi r square. These formulas are going to use in this exercise 9.3. Okay. Now, area of minor segment. Minor segment, I shaded this part to understand which is the minor segment. Area of minor segment is equal to area of sector. Sector means this total OA, OB and this arc X. This is a total sector. Area of sector minus area of triangle AOB. If you subtract this area of triangle from the area of a sector, then you will get area of minor segment. So area of sector is equal to x by 360 into pi r square. This is the formula. Here x means in a whole angle 360 degrees, how much the angle for this sector? 90 degrees. Now area of any triangle, half base into height. X besides 90 degrees by 360 degrees. Pi value is 3.14 use here, but actually pi value is 22 by 7 or 3.14 approximately. We can take any two values. Now x by 360 into pi value 22 by 7. Radius 10 for this r square is there. So 10 square minus half. Base how much? 10. Height in a right angle triangle, perpendicular is the height. Height is 10 centimeter. 10 into, this is base 10, height 10. Now cancellation, 0 0 get cancel. 9 1 is 9, 9 4s are 36. Again 2 2s are 4, 2 1 is 2, 2 1 is 2. Numerator 11 by 11, denominator 7, 2. Here numerator 10 square minus 2 1 is 2, 2 5s are 10. 11 into 10 into 10, 2 1 is 2, 2 5s are 10. Now remaining 11 5s are 50, 50 10s are 11 5s are not 50, 11 5s are 55, 55 10s are 550 minus 2 1 is 2, 2 5s are 10. Remaining here 5 10s are 50. Here 550 by 7 minus 50 by 1. Do the LCM for 7 comma 1 is 7. Same. So write the same numerator 550 minus 1 sevens are 7, 7 fives are 35. Then 0, 350. 550 minus 350, 200 by 7 square centimeter. Actually given in the problem, use the pi value 3.14. Next time I will do here. I used only 22 by 7. 200 by 7 square centimeter. To do the division, we will get 28.5 approximately square centimeters. Now again, this is the area of what? Minor segment. Now radius same 10 centimeter. Angle of major segment. Before this sector angle is 90 degrees. Remaining this angle is 360 minus 90 degrees. 270 degrees. Area of major segment. Below this chart, total major segment. Simply we can find the area of this big sector and area of this triangle. Then finally you add area of sector and a triangle, you will get the area of major segment. So area of sector OAYB. OA, this arc YB, big sector in this circle, plus area of triangle AOB. Same formula, x by 360 into pi r square plus area of triangle half base into height. Here x value 270, remaining 360 minus 90, 270 by 360 into pi value 22 by 7 into radius square means 10 into 10. Do the cancellation. 0 0 get cancel. 9 3 are 27, 9 4 are 36. Again 2 2s are 4, 2 1 is 2, 2 1 is 2. Okay, now again 2 1 is 2, 2 5 are 10 get cancel. 11 5s are 55. 55 into 10, 550 into 3, 650 by 7 plus area of this triangle already we found there 50. Okay, now adding this fraction and a whole number, these two are adding, then we will get 2000 by 7 centimeter square. After doing the division, you will get 285.7 square centimeter. First one completed. Now second problem. A chord of a circle of radius 12 centimeter. A chord of a circle. In a circle, a chord is there, AB, and the radius is 12 centimeter. Radius 12 centimeter subtends an angle of 120 degrees. Before the problem 90 degrees. Here 120 degrees at the center. Find the area of the corresponding minor segment of the circle. Before problem asked minor segment and major segment, but in this problem only asked minor segment of the circle. What given in the problem, we can copy the same as it is in the first steps of answer. The radius of the circle R is equal to 12 centimeter. Here arc X. Now OAXB is a sector. This one. OA arc XB. This is the sector. In this sector included this minor segment. Okay. Now find the area of this sector. Then find the area of triangle. Finally, if you find the difference of area of sector and area of triangle, you will get the area of minor segment. Now here AOB is a triangle. In this triangle AOB, doing angle at center O 120 degrees. When you draw a perpendicular line on this chart AB, then this two angle bisects. This angle bisects into two equal angles, 60 degrees, 60 degrees. Then this one is a right angle triangle, this one is a right angle triangle. These two right angle triangles are congruent to each other because base same, height same, and hypotenuse same, all corresponding angles same, all corresponding sides are same. So these two triangles are congruent to each other. Same I written here. See, area of sector OAXB, x by 360 into pi r square. This is the formula. X how much? 120 degrees by 360 into pi. Use the value of pi 3.14. In before problem we did 22 by 7. Here I written, use this value, for that sake I written 3.14 into radius 12 into 12. 0 0 get cancel. Now 6 2s are 12, 6 6 are 36. Again 2 1 is 2, 2 3s are 6, 3 1 is 3, 3 4s are 12. Remaining only numerators. 12 4s are 48 and this 3.14 is equal to 150.72 square centimeter. This is the area of this whole shape, means area of this sector, 150.72 square centimeters. Now AOB is an isosceles triangle. Here AOB is 120 degrees. Draw OC, one perpendicular line on the chart AB. Okay. Then triangle ACO and BCO. These two triangles are right angle triangles and these two triangles are congruent to each other. In this triangle, to find the area, we don't have base side or we don't have base side and perpendicular side. So using of this angle and hypotenuse, we can find the base side and perpendicular side. Like these problems we did in the chapter trigonometry. Use this concept to find the base side and perpendicular side. In triangle ACO, this is right angle triangle. Now at point O, at point center, okay, cos theta is equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse. From point O, cos theta is equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse. Adjacent side how much? OC. Hypotenuse OA. I written there OC by OA. OC by OA value 12 centimeters. Cos theta. Theta how much? 60 degrees. Cos 60 1 by 2 using trigonometric table. Okay, cos 60 1 by 2, OC by 12. These two are same. Do the cross multiplication. Then 2OC is equal to 12. 1 is 12. OC is equal to 12 by 2. 2 1 is 2. 2 6 are 6. 2 6 are 12. 6 centimeters. What is this OC? Height of this triangle 6 centimeter. We found the value of OC 6 centimeter. Okay, height of this triangle. Now again, one side we found. Another, what is the length of base side? For that sake, using sine. Sine 60 is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. From point O, this is the opposite side, not base side. From point O, this AC is the opposite side. Opposite side by hypotenuse, AC by AO. AC by AO value 12. Sin 60 root 3 by 2 is equal to AC by 12. Do the cross multiplication. 2AC is equal to 12 into root 3. AC equal to 12 root 3 by 2. 2 1 is 2, 2 6 are 12. 6 root 3 centimeter. This is the length of in this triangle base side. Okay. Now using this OC perpendicular to AB and this 120 degrees 60 60 and these two triangles are congruent. Using all these conditions, we can confirm that AC is equal to BC. If this is 6 root 3, this one also 6 root 3. So total length of chord AB is equal to 6 root 3 plus 6 root 3 is equal to 12 root 3 centimeters. Now area of triangle AOB is equal to half base into height. Half base how much? Here we found 6 root 3, 6 root 3, 12 root 3 base into height how much? 6 centimeter. 2 1 is 2, 2 3s are 6. Okay, is equal to 12 3s are 36 root 3 square centimeters. Root 3 value given in the problem 1.732. Do the multiplication, then we will get 62.352 square centimeters. Now area of minor segment is equal to area of sector OAXB, total area of sector, minus area of triangle AOB, 150.72 minus 62.35, up to 2 decimal points enough. Then we will get their difference 88.37 square centimeter. Second one also completed. Now third one. A car has two wipers which do not overlap. Overlap means one wiper not going on another wiper. Got it? See, like one wiper, another wiper. These two wipers are not going one upon one. Okay. Overlap. Each wiper has a blade of length 25 centimeter. This 25 centimeter is radius sweeping through an angle of 115 degrees. Means how much area occupied in assume that is a circle, means 115 degrees occupied. Find the total area clean at each sweep of the blades. One time sweep two blades, then how much area that two blades can clean the glass or what given the plane. Okay. Length of each wiper means radius is equal to 25 centimeter, angle 115 degrees. Here I drawn for one wiper diagram, but asked to find the two wipers area. For understanding sake, I drawn only one diagram. Okay, angle is equal 115 degrees. Area of cleaned by two wipers in one sweep is equal to x by 360 into pi r square into 2. 1 means no need to write 2. Here 2 wipers sake written 2. 2 into x by 360 into pi r square. 2 into x value 115 by 360 into pi value. Use the 22 by 7 given in the problem. So written 22 by 7 into radius 25 into 25. Okay. Now 5 2s are 10, 1 is remaining, 5 3s are 15, 5 7s are 35, 1 is remaining, 5 2s are 10, 72. Do the cancellation with 2, 2 1 is 2, 2 3s are 6, 1 is remaining, 2 6 are 12. Again 2 1 is 2, 2 8s are 16, 2 1 is 2, 2 1 is 2. Numerator place 23, 11, 25 into 25, 625 is left. In denominator place 18 and 7 is left. The product of these three numbers, first product of these two numbers 253 and 625 by 18 7s are 126. The product of these two numbers and denominator 126. If you do the division for these two numerators and denominators, you will get 1254.96 square centimeters. Okay, now next fourth problem. Listen carefully. Find the area of shaded region in a figure where ABCD is a square of side 10 centimeter. ABCD is a square. This ABCD square side is 10 centimeter and semicircles are drawn with each side. For every side semicircle is drawn with a diameter 10 centimeter. Means radius is 5 centimeter. ABCD is a square. Side A is equal to 10 centimeter. Area of square is equal to side into side means A square. 10 into 10 100 square centimeter. This 100 square centimeter is area occupied this square ABCD total area. But asked to find the area of only shaded parts. Okay. Now semicircle radius diameter by 2, diameter 10 by 2 5 centimeter, its radius is 5 centimeter. Area of two semicircles, how we can find the area of this shaded region? Here not given in the direct, using some points we can find the area of this shaded part. For that sake, understanding purpose I drawn this diagram to find the area of this shaded part. See, this is a half circle, this is half circle, means semicircle. These two are make one circle. Area of two semicircles is equal to area of a circle. So area of a circle, pi r square, pi value 22 by 7, 5 into 5. 5 5s are 25. 22 into 25 by 7, 550 by 7 square centimeter. Means area of this shaded part is 550 by 7 square centimeter. If this diagram, unshaded part area how much? Area of unshaded region, total 100 minus 550 by 7. Do the subtraction for these two, you will get 150 by 7. See, area of this upper part and down part, then this unshaded one part, unshaded second part. This unshaded two parts value is 150 by 7 square centimeter. Same, if you find the area of this semicircle, then you will get 3, 4, these two unshaded part also 150 by 7. Understood? Two unshaded parts area 150 by 7, but here whole total 4 unshaded parts. So 4 in ABCD square, unshaded parts area is 2 unshaded part area is 150 by 7. Like 4 unshaded part area is 2 into 150 by 7, 300 by 7 square centimeter. This area is unshaded parts area. Now area of shaded region in ABCD, area of only shaded region means 100 minus, this 100 is total area of a square minus unshaded part area 300 by 7. Their difference means 1 7 is 7 LCM. 1 7s are 7, 700s are 700 minus same, so 300. 700 minus 300, 400. 400 by 7 after division 57.14 square centimeter you will get. So approximately area of shaded region is 57 square centimeter. I hope you understood. Please subscribe my channel and watch full video. Thank you so much.